Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pho ga. First, let's craft the heart of our dish, the broth. Begin with a whole chicken, weighing around 3 to 4 pounds, ensuring a rich, flavorful base. Gently simmer it with charred ginger and onion for at least 1 hour. Incorporate warming spices like star anise, cinnamon sticks, and black cardamom. Remember to skim any impurities from the surface regularly. This step is crucial for achieving a beautifully clear and aromatic broth, setting the stage for an incredible meal. Once your chicken is perfectly cooked and tender, carefully remove it from the broth. Allow it to cool slightly, then shred the succulent meat into bite-sized pieces, setting it aside. Next, prepare your fresh pho noodles. Cook them according to the package instructions until they are perfectly al dente. Immediately rinse them under cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent them from clumping. Finally, thinly slice some white or yellow onions, adding a delightful crispness to your finished dish. Now for the exciting part, assembling your delicious pho ga bowl. Start by placing a generous portion of your perfectly cooked pho noodles into each serving bowl. Next, artfully arrange the tender shredded chicken and the thinly sliced onions over the noodles. The key is to create a beautiful presentation. Then, carefully ladle the piping hot, aromatic chicken broth over all the ingredients, ensuring everything is submerged. This step truly brings all the wonderful flavors together for a comforting and satisfying experience. To complete your authentic pho ga experience, don't forget the essential garnishes. Offer fresh lime wedges, crisp bean sprouts, and thinly sliced jalapenos on the side for a customizable kick. Also, provide hoisin sauce and sriracha, allowing everyone to adjust the flavors to their liking. Serve your pho ga immediately while the broth is piping hot. This ensures the best possible taste and aroma. Gather your loved ones and savor this incredibly flavorful, homemade Vietnamese chicken noodle soup together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.